Okay, so now, where is Fire now?
Okay.
Where is Fire now?
Okay, Fire is here.
Yeah.
And Fire is going forward. Fire is raising Namachita as much as so we don't post about it. You know? So one thing that's gonna happen, we have 2 gigs. Eval. It's a wedding. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna perform there. We've been to Eval, vast on a bunch of churches.
Yes.
Yeah. And yeah. So we're working on that now because we need to play Ingoma Zobo, Huma Sikela. We also do that, yeah. So that's where we are for now.
Yes.
And then going forward, I think I'll bring my guys here.
Yes.
I think I'll bring my guys here. And then I think we're gonna perform live. We can organize that, I think.
Guys, please.
Yeah,
and then word of the day.
Pardon?
A word
of the day.
Of the day.
A word of the day. It's a very good Sunday, chilling mostly, and I really much appreciate it.
The word of the day.
Don't I am. Yes, good to be crush him.
There's nothing wrong with that.
No.
Tricks uhleli la athi mina one of the reasons bengizakini bengifuna ukubona wena. Yabo ngiza ku-era lapha ngifuna ukubona wena mara sister ka era. Now waqala manje wangitreating ngathi ngwakini.
Isa, papa le.
Wangitreating ngathi ngwakini manje ngavela ngabona I cannot look at her that way because now sekang family zonile.
Nkosi yami.
And then ufuna ukukhunjulwa ngani, let's say kusasa uNkulunkulu yakukhumbula.
Ndabula mafu.
Yeah, masuku wadajura mafu wadajura
ngajumpa robot ngachayisa ngimoto ngapha
dajura ama robots. What would you want to be remembered for?
Yeah, ukuthi uFire was a cool guy, bukumuntu abantu.
Yeah.
And then ninga yeah, okay, yeah, uFire umuntu abantu, thana wonke umuntu. And began performela guys. Began charge. Ben performela mala ndlalela bass guitar. Still ngizodlala nesizwini masihlangana.
Yeah.
Yabo. If prakot una instrument lapha soyidlala.
Yeah.
Yabo. Background. Yeah, asli now uzongithola la mfethu.
Fire.
Ngiyoskim umandoza Brenda Fast. Kunindlala ingoma zakho Brenda Fast. Yazi ngiyama chance.
Yeah, for sure yakuzwa.
Maybe uyangizwa no bro, no Brenda Fast lapha. No Mandela.
You keep on mentioning Pro's name.
Pro nayo phela ungikhulisile mfethu. Phela sometimes you do have that extended family but bangayazi bona.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, nomzamo mbatha nkosi yami. Awubona we. Ngingamtexta ku Instagram.
Nomzamo, yeah.
Not I feel like I've known you from many years back, yabo. And then what respond what you like. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, respond in a good like ukren. Akusu umuntu ombona TV kuba ngathi uactor ngathi right. No, lo muntu leya ukren. Real bra.
Yeah.
I act some fits. I used to do acting.
Yeah. Tell me about it.
Yeah, we've done acting babiza now that we be channel ex squad.
Money. Ex-convicts.
Yes, ex-convict. Yes. I didn't know nalahleka there.
Yeah, no. English sometimes is not our language.
Yeah, because no basha piano ngawenza mistake nyana nje. Shy piano ngawo ne. Because I've seen Bathuban lo, president ase ex-president Bathuban yase states.
Obama.
No.
Ngiyambona lo baba lo lesimhlophe. Baba bemdubula indlebe khona manje.
Bathibika
Yeah, yena lo.
Because
khona phambili.
Yeah, bekashaya I-speech lapha athi they're killing the cats. They're killing the dog. Oh, they're eating the cats, they're eating the dogs. Yeah, basha track ikhona iyaduma no.
Wouldn't it be a nice thing that out of just X something and then if they hit.
We nkosi yami bayenza hit ngami.
So now where you at with the acting thing?
Oh, the acting, yeah. We did it with the ex-convicts.
Convicts,
yes. Yeah.
No, you can say ex-bantintis.
Yeah.
Guys, English is just a language. It doesn't measure your intellectual and all that. That is why ngivele ngazitshela nje ukuthi angizozixakekisa ngesilungu lokho ngiziluma manje ngilikhohliwe makufanele ngithi amkhathazelekile. I will say that if you don't understand, you don't understand.
Uzweyibo.
Yeah, the expandities.
Sayenza ama expandities there. We did it. Came home, bazwakala endlini I believe ukuthi serious lento le serious vele. We did it beka actors Ace beka actors as generation.
Yeah,
Nkosi kama lakhe lamampela nkosi yami. Yeah, but we did it. Saya Hanichu kunejele la khona elikhulu. Yeah, we went to perform there, but we didn't perform, but they paid us. It's government. Yeah. Because we something like
do you still want to pursue that?
Still want to do it because I want to try stand-up comedy.
Okay, so you know when I no krado no kuhlala naye uskrado untsikelelo mlakalaka uskrado here one man shows ning.
Oh, the talk guy.
Not umngani ka Tricks.
Dark or short.
Yes.
Oh, ngiyambona lo sanukufaka.
But he does that here.
Yeah, I wanna ngizokhuluma naye.
Yeah, hlala naye nibone
ukuthi sanokusaba phela ukugibela stage Nkosi yami. It's hard phela ukuhlisa umuntu.
I think you would make it.
I'll manage ne?
Yeah, like because you are funny. I've been laughing as well here.
Yeah, ne?
So you should try it, man.
Yeah, I should try it. I should do it.
Yeah. And then give me your platforms.
What platforms?
Your social platforms.
Oh.
Mabekfuna. Mabek crush us. And so you said you're single. If they want to book you, if they want to do whatsoever, your platforms.
Okay, on Facebook, I'm Fire the Bassist. No space. Uyahlanganisa yonke nje. Fire the Bassist. And then Instagram. Yeah, and I thought about this. You know, Fire _ and then Nkosi yami. Yabo? Ngikhohle Instagram shem mara mangithola Facebook
uzomthola kuwo
uzomthola because ma uzongitextile lapha and ngicabangile lento le ukuthi uzongibuza ngayo.
Of course, it's very important. I mean,
I know these things.
Fire, I need to say this. You need to start taking yourself serious. I've been listening to you here. You're like, I'm not out there. I know you, bruh. I've seen your work.
I'm a cool guy, bruh.
There's nothing wrong with being humble or being modest.
I'm like
but allow us to
like
give you your flowers while you still exist. I
appreciate that.
I mean that. Stop this thing of thinking that we don't recognize you.
Yeah.
So, Fire the Bassists, guys. Ba ne group ebizwa ngenganekwane. Just go out there, you'll see them.
Life, yes.
And they are very good with live performances. And I think someone is looking there. Ngicela simkhumbuzeni lo bhuti lona ukuthi they are doing a great job and ababuyisa ijangalala. Ikas lethu alinama activities amaningi because I don't know njengoba eshilo ukuthi asupportane because of manje we look forward siyageza siyobraya kwa Vasco siphuze sidako. I'm not saying azenzeke into ekas lethu, but we need such things, guys. Leslie, you listening out there, please bring back Naledi Atlhago. We've got so many talents and abanye abantu bacabanga ukuthi they can only make it mabese bephumile so never. It starts there. I mean, we have Aboliso right now. Kunento eshiwo uSphokazi the other day when she was here. USphokazi Mbetha uthi it goes back to lento ukuthi besikhuluma ngayo ukuthi abantu 4350 abenqena uvuka mara makufanele ukuthi bahole imali encane abayifuni. I mean, uSphokazi abantu abafundile. But uSphokazi they took anything that came their way just to survive. They've learned to open their businesses and all that. Let's do that, guys. And ngifuna sikhulume ngeswag yakho. Let's talk about it before we close. Let's talk about it. What inspires you? Because you have this different look when it comes to when what inspires it?
Well, okay. Ngizochaza kanjani Nkosi yami? I-style when I decide ukuthi ngizogcoka, so I just decide. I have this account but in Shein.
Yes.
Yeah, I don't buy from Shein, but ngiyabona style so we fake it in a suit, stuff like that. And then I already saw myself ukuthi mangagcoka so ngizongifanele. Angizifakeli ama points, guys.
There's nothing wrong with that.
Angizifakeli ama points. But my friend told me long zenai.
Yes.
I know ntwana ukrent. Yeah. izinto
Yeah, no,
Yabo.
you look so nice. And then,
Thank you.
is it anything that engikhohliwe that you want to share?
Let me think. Oh yeah, into ikhohliwe ukuthi nawe umuhle.
Oh,
Yeah, nawe umuhle
thank
Sham.
you.
Yeah, and I appreciate this moment.
Thank
nawe.
you, man. Thank you so much.
And this thing, like it has gave me training for going forward. I believe I'm gonna be doing this for going forward.
Yes.
Yeah, I've watched Kevin Hart and
Yes,
Trevor Noah
yeah.
doing a podcast.
No, you should.
It was nice, bro.
And then you know, there's this guy who was a extension 12 bambiza ngo Fosh Pilato.
Fosh Pilato, I know Fosh Pilato.
You know
yeah.
Fosh Pilato, when he came here, he said to me, actually, after you called me, I was like, really? You called me? I was like, Fosh, I've been with you, Brad. I mean, Bengsebenza and MLK, I remember him.
Yeah.
And he said, you just awoken something in me.
Yeah, same as me.
Please.
Same as me.
That's my purpose,
So,
guys.
this thing
We
is going
see you.
forward. Yeah.
We see you. I see you. Yes.
Much love.
Yes. Guys, ningakhohlwa ukushare, ningakhohlwa ukomenta, ni like. I mean, singabantu ngenxa yabantu. Uyasho nayo M2 uthi umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu. Ndifuna ubulela futhi again. And there's so much in store, guys. Should you have anyone in your mind that you want to see them here, please don't hesitate. Ndinthanda kakhulu bethuna ningatholile ama social platforms wakhe. Siyambulela uba ufaya uzile apha. We out.